Oh, yep, no worries. It's on tight. I just got off Dinosaur and it's...
That's you. We just wanted to think tonight.
Okay, no worries. I go to Lost and Found by TTC tomorrow. Alright, no worries. She said she expects to see my hat at the end. Because she's telling me about my hat, but I was telling her it won't fall off.
Hey, brothers, it's Chester here. Reminding you for your safety to stay seated at all times. With your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your time.
Are you ready for Primeval Whirling?
Be sure to watch your children. And don't pick up any hitchhiking dinosaurs.
Don't pick up any hitchhiking dinosaurs.
My phone is there.
Where? What do you mean there? There where?
In the front pocket.
Is it in a zipper?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. As long as it's... Okay.
We're so squished in here.
We are squished up in here. Hey, be careful with the hitchhiking dinosaurs. Yeah, it's a brutal ride, actually. In all honesty, I really don't like this ride. I ain't even gonna lie. It's brutal. Oh, this is brutal. This really is. No, it's brutal.
I hate that feeling!
Jesus Christ.
I hate the feeling.
Oh, babe, come push down on the lap bar. It went down by itself. Oh, I'm tight up in here. Oh my God.
Daddy, squash. I didn't push on it.
I felt it go down, and I saw you. Then I saw your hands up, so it had to go down by itself somehow. Oh, spin it the other way. Oh shit! This is probably gonna look crazy in the video. Oh, that sucked.
You even breathe in there?
What happened?
Look how squashed.
I am squashed. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Jesus Christ. Oh! Are you okay? Smashed right into your arm. Oh, bad.
Oh my goodness.
And that was brutal ass Primeval Whirl. Jesus Christ.